Business owners, where is the place for you? Right here. Coding Central helped Mike by educating him and his customers. We build his skill set so he can be a preferred installer, a network of most qualified installers we know nationwide. Conveniently, just about 30 minutes south of Washington, D.C., and about 30 minutes north of Richmond, Coding Central is dedicated to the entire globe. Locally, we will oversee your project. Globally, we will connect you with the best. With a fully accessible resource for our clients considering or currently operating in the industry, the entire team is here to help you. You'll be able to log on to our platform and chat directly with a diverse group of skilled installers. With a bi-weekly podcast shot right here in our in-house studio, we discuss hot topics from growing to scaling and all the artsy stuff in between. We also stream our online and hybrid classes directly from our YouTube bar studio in this class area right here in the facility. You can rent our business and use it to promote whatever you'd like. We even have a film crew and production crew on staff to take you and your business to the next level. From the basics of flake garage install to complex concrete carvings, Coding Central will help build or scale your business. Our comprehensive curriculum will assess your skill sets and place you in a series of seminars that focus on everything from bidding and marketing to color theory, and ending somewhere with a trowel in your hand, admiring the amazing art you didn't know that you possessed. Look at these amazing skills. Intermediate and advanced classes do require portfolio and vetting process or completion of our beginner classes. Isn't it about time Decorative Concrete has a trade school style program with the most exclusive pricing on products and most synergistic movement in the industry? Turnkey installs and all of the most recent evidence-based information. Our team consists of CEOs, chemists, architects, engineers, marketing specialists, and of course, artists, consumers, contractors, trade seekers. Whether it's a change in your garage or a change in your career path, we've got you covered. Check us out at www.codingcentral.com or right here in person at 3801 Plank Road, Fredericksburg, Virginia. To learn at our school, check out codingscollege.com. And for products, www.squeezeyourtrigger.com. Thanks and have a great day.